Introduction to Agile for Personal Goals.
The Agile methodologies are often used in software development, but their principles can help anyone manage personal goals. By breaking work into manageable pieces, regularly reflecting on progress, and adapting as needed, you can make steady progress in your tech career. Let's explore how to adapt Agile tools like sprints and retrospectives to your individual growth.
Setting a clear vision and goals.
Start by defining a clear vision for your tech career. What skills do you want to learn? What roles interest you? List specific, achievable goals, like mastering a programming language or earning a certification. Having a well-defined vision keeps you focused and makes it easier to measure progress using Agile techniques.
Planning and organizing with sprints.
Sprints in Agile are short, focused periods for completing work. Apply this to your development by picking a 1 or 2 week window, then setting small, actionable objectives, like finishing an online course module or building a project feature. This keeps learning tasks manageable and provides frequent opportunities for reassessment.
Tracking progress and staying adaptable.
Use Agile tracking tools such as simple to-do lists or digital kanban boards to visualize your progress. Update these regularly, moving tasks from to-do to done. Be flexible. If you hit obstacles, adjust your tasks for the next sprint, just as Agile teams adapt when priorities shift.
Reflecting with personal retrospectives.
At the end of each sprint, hold a short retrospective. Ask yourself, what worked well? What challenges did I face? How can I improve next time? Taking time for reflection helps you celebrate wins, learn from mistakes, and refine your strategies for future sprints.
Turning Agile habits into long-term success.
Regularly applying Agile principles, prioritizing goals, breaking work into sprints, tracking progress, and reflecting builds a habit of personal growth. Over time, this approach not only boosts your productivity, but also helps you stay motivated and resilient as you advance your tech career.